Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see some Dying Light The Beast beginner tips. Firstly, when farming loot, walk away from bodies to save time. After cleaning out a big horde, don't waste minutes looting every single corpse. Instead, run a few hundred feet away. When you return, the bodies will have despawned and been replaced with small gray loot bags. Just grab the bags instantly, no slow search animation, and if a zombie had nothing, no bag spawns, saving you even more time. Secondly, you get double XP at night. Nighttime is a double XP for kills and auctions, making it the best time to grind levels. Stay close to a safe house or tower so you can retreat quickly if things get too heated, and use Molotovs or explosive on zombie clusters to farm the loot bags for resources and XP. Thirdly, use Survivor Scent to spot loot fast. Your Survivor Sense ability is a huge time saver. Ping the area to highlight lootable items in containers, and it also marks human enemies and special infected. Also, it's great for planning stealth approaches or avoiding unnecessary fights. So, these tips will help you level faster, loot smarter, and survive longer as you get started in Dying Light The Beast. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.